Okay. Hello everyone, this is Justin. So maybe you've already finished installing the folding at home and you're doing very well helping everyone out. But then after you took a break, for some reason when you come back to the website to check it, it starts just blinking. And the reason for this is because it's constantly refreshing. So a way that you can fix this, because when it's like this, you cannot click anything, it doesn't do anything, and you cannot hit refresh. You can hit refresh, but then when it comes back, it just continues. So what you can do is you hit the F12 key, okay? And when you hit the F12 key, it opens up the development console, and then what you can do is you can right click on the reload. So here, right click and you hit this empty cache and hard reload. So when you do that, this forces everything to stop and to do a very hard reset. Okay, let's see. Okay, boom, and now it returns back to normal. So I hope that helps. I don't know if there is a permanent solution to this. So far what I've seen is that it happens only if you're using Google Chrome, but if there is any permanent uh, solution to this, please let me know. So there you go. I hope this helps everyone.